maybe. Oh yeah. So hello, beautiful people. Future me, maybe. Welcome to another round. Everyone knows what's happening, right? 3 minutes, 35 minutes of nonsense. Oh, let's go. I'm getting worse. So it was 7:45. And I want something to drink. Cheers. It's not bad. Anyway, that's the typing part of the session. And now we will be hopefully not creating another pull request to update the documentation of Angular. Let's get into it. This is kind of clear. And I end up on the hero bullshit. Yep. Object. Can't actually delete hero. What a bullshit. I did the pull request for that too. Event to the item detail component as follows. Yep. Parent components delete item. Method with the item. Yeah, delete item, not delete hero. Determining even target. What does it mean? If the name of the target event matches an event property of a known directive, to see if my click is an event on the custom click directive. If my click is event on the custom click directive. If the target event name fails to match an element event, the Angular reports unknown directive error. Okay, so let's have a look into that, shall we? And why is this fucking... Oh yeah, because now I'm in the Angular project. I don't want to be in the Angular project. I want to be in the event binding project. So that's here. I'll close this. So I already did the pull review. And the HTML, the app component. So that was what it was. Click directive. Here we go. Okay, what the click directive does. Output my click. Okay, so that's here. Oh, select it like this. So This is the selector, huh? So what were they telling us? To determine an event target, Angular checks if the name of the target event matches an event property of a known directive. To see if my click is an event on the custom directive. If the target event name my click fails to match an element event or an output property of click directive, Angular reports unknown directive error. Okay. So if we have we'll have a look in here. Come on, here we go. So, and we'll open the listing, load, and in the what's new? Console. So now we have no error. Okay, cool. Now we will try to fuck it up. Is it okay? Compiled success. Okay, so type event is not assignable to type string. What the hell? That's not the. That's not the error we were hoping for. Okay. So what we will do, I will undo this, then have a look in the HTML and I'll fuck it up in here. Okay, save that. It's compiling. Oh, that's the same. That's the same error. Event is not assignable to type string. That's different error. So what they were talking about? Well, let's see where I will fix that. So I have directive, now it's running the compile. Still the same problem. Oh, here we go. my click XXX, and on the other side it's my click XXX as well. So what the fuck? Maybe now it will work. Oh, it works. So seems like those three have to be the same. Is it toggle? Okay. And where it was, you were. Okay, so we will click directive. Okay. Click. Okay, so that's working. I'm not sure if I did understood it completely, to be honest. For more information on how event binding works. So now I am where I am. I'm in templates, event binding. And this is in what? Here. Okay, so okay, here's more. Rabbit hole. This is done, and we will go to two-way binding. Oh, come on. Yoink. Okay. Still in templates, right? Yeah. Two-way binding gives you, okay, we have a example which we will download into projects, study, Angular. Here it is good, I think. Save. It should be done now. Pipes, two-way binding. So what's this though? No, how did I do that? Oh, fuck, what was that? Somehow there was a shortcut. You could open it in the other window, and I forgot which one it was. Okay. This is not exactly what I wanted. I don't know. Maybe just shift and left arrow? Oh. No. Okay, I don't know. So I will just create a new folder. Do a binding. Ah, it works. It is Control Shift and left. Yeah, I do. Here it is. Yeah, I know. It depends from where I will run the instance, and it either will have this or the other one. Or it will show or it will show this. I don't know why, and I don't care. Really? Oh, this looks interesting. Okay, back to this. I still don't have. That's the two-way binding here. Control R, A, copy. Okay, yeah, good. Now open. The fuck? That's not what I want. The projects. So can I expand it? What the fuck is wrong with you, IntelliJ? And that was what it was, for the fuck's sake. Two-way binding. For the fuck's sake, where did I put it? Huh? Oh, it's IntelliJ. Don't fuck with me. CD. Here we go. this window is, please. Or to run. Meanwhile, we will go and look at this prerequisites. You should have basic understanding of the following: property binding, binding inputs and outputs. Okay, so property binding, that was what? Sure, makes sense. Inputs and outputs. Two-way binding combines property binding with event binding. Oh. Yeah, property binding is the square things. Yeah, that's that. Property binding, this is the event binding as follows. Yep. Output property must use the pattern input change. What the fuck is that? Where input is the name of... Ah, okay. Size change. Input, oh, the input is from this, okay. So, understood. Flow into size component. To the parent component. Sure. Desugared? What does it mean, desugared? Doesn't do shit in here, so why the fuck do we have that in there? Just decrease, increase. So, and that's only in the seems like we are not using this anywhere. It's like, okay, so we have, maybe we are looking for size. Oh, what that was interesting. And let's see if I do this. Or I can just do this. And it will recompile now. Nereus, if you are here still, if you have like the two, like the notebook, and you are using still the notebook keyboard, that means like you have two screens in that position, and then you have like down there the notebook screen, right? And you are oh. Only one external screen? Okay. So... okay. But still, you are then like looking this and that, and rarely use the laptop screen. I see. Okay, cool. Good to know. Thank you. How real professional works. Oh, this was recompiled, right, already? I have a look at where shit is here. Oh, two upsizers, huh? Oh fuck. This was sizable text, where is it? here. Now I'm a little bit confused because there was a time when I thought that the one-way binding is just going from the component to the template, and the other way binding would be going from the template to the component, but that's maybe they called it that way in AngularJS, or maybe I'm just completely mistaken. And here on anyway, as you can probably tell, I'm kind of over my peak. Well, I mean, I'm tired. So, I don't know. Hopefully, it's like good for something. This, what I did here.